back to Cook&Fly. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful carpaccio recipe, so stay tuned because we're going to start now. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe right now, or just like the video, or share it, or comment it. What we're going to need is beetroot, oregano, radish, ice water to put our radish in it. And the dressing I was telling you about is a black truffle mustard. And to marinate our beetroot, we're gonna need sesame seed oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, and that's it. All we're gonna do is just cut our beetroot. Okay, that's it. Let's prepare the marination for our beetroot. I'm gonna add a bit of oil. This is the sesame seed oil I was telling you about. And about 1 spoon of vinegar. You can use any vinegar you like. Some of the paprika powder, salt and pepper. Now I'm adding the fresh oregano. Just mix it a bit together. We add our beetroot to it. So you see, now what I'm gonna do is just bring it to the fridge and leave it there for about half an hour. If you have the time and if you really want to infuse the flavors better, just leave it for 12 hours. I'm gonna cut our radish to decorate our plate. If you can just cut it thinner than the beetroot. I'm done cutting the radish, and what I'm gonna do is put it in the water. I just got my beetroot off the fridge. The smells is just beautiful, and I'm gonna use this plate to plate it up. I forgot to tell you I have some edible flowers for decoration. If you don't have these items at home, don't worry, it's just for decoration like I said. What is important is the mustard. If you cannot find the mustard infused with black truffle, you can buy the black truffle oil and mustard, mix it together, and that's it. Alright, let's plate it up because I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna add 2 small spoons of these mustard with truffle oil. Let's lay down the beetroot together with the radish, and now I'm adding some flowers. What I'm gonna do now is add the balsamic curls. Look at this beautiful carpaccio. The mixture of our mustard with the carpaccio marination is just mind-blowing. We'll do it at home. Send me your pictures. Remember, you can find us on social media as Cook&Fly on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, or you can subscribe to this channel right now. You can find the full written recipe of this amazing carpaccio on cooknfly.com. Thank you very much and see you next time.